Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your tablet. While Rocket League isn't directly available as a tablet app, you can absolutely enjoy the high-flying action through cloud gaming. This method streams the game from powerful servers directly to your device, letting you experience the full PC or console version. It's the only way to bring the arena to your portable screen, offering a fantastic gaming experience on the go. To get started, you'll need a few key things. First, a compatible tablet device, whether it's an Android or an iPad. Second, a robust internet connection, ideally with download speeds of at least 20 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Third, a Bluetooth controller is almost a must. Playing with touch controls can be quite challenging. Finally, you'll need an active subscription to a cloud gaming service that offers Rocket League. Once you have your equipment ready, the setup is straightforward. Begin by downloading the cloud gaming app, such as the Xbox app, from your tablet's app store. Next, pair your Bluetooth controller with your tablet through its settings. Open the cloud gaming application, log in with your account details, and then simply navigate to the game library. Select Rocket League, and within moments, you'll be ready to hit the pitch and score some aerial goals. For the best possible experience, consider these tips. Always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if available, as it provides faster and more stable connections than 2.4 GHz. Close any other apps running in the background to free up your tablet's resources. Make sure your controller is fully charged to avoid interruptions during intense matches. Finally, you might want to adjust some in-game video settings to prioritize performance over visual fidelity for smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.